crazy daisy, give me your answer, dear. I'm half crazy, all for the love of you. It won't be a stylish marriage, I can't afford a carriage, but you'll look sweet upon the seat of a bicycle made for two. Michael, here is your answer, true. I'm not crazy, all for the love of you. There won't be any marriage if you can't afford a carriage, 'cause I'll be switched if I get hitched on a bicycle built for two.